New garage door was put in. Looks excellent. Works good too. We were able to save the motor. All that worked good. We just had to replace the tracks and put in the new spring system that's up to code. Looks good though.